to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra flagship, it could eventually have a curved display following the rumor relating the alleged launch date of the Samsung Galaxy S24. The time has come to return to this latest range. This time the leaks involves the alleged latest display information about the new smartphone. Following the publication of some latest photos of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra via the network, the world of smartphone insiders has begun to have an important discussion regarding the potential presence of a flat screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model. However, some have already indicated that this may not be the case. In this regard, as also reported by GSM Arena in the second half of November 2023, what is indicated as real photos of the device shared by the user David Martin were leaked on the Twitter profile page. As you can see in the video, the colors of the leaker's hands is silver. If you notice important similarities with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you are certainly not alone. In this regard, as also reported by Phone Arena on November 25, 2023, the tipster Super Roder published some indications on the future flagship of the South Korean brand on Twitter. Among these, that the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will receive a curved screen, not flat. Therefore, at least taking what is indicated, in this case at the face value, in the end, the smartphone could still have a curved display. In short, at this stage rumors and leaks are conflicting, so it is the best to take everything with due to caution and wait for the future indications. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra has a curved edges, 0.3 to 0.4 mm, not flat. The top and bottom bezels dimensions are the same. They are half the size of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, the bezels on the left and right are the same as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, says Super Roders Exposed. On the other hand, Samsung expects to sell 10% more of its upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup flagships thanks to its new AI features. If Samsung can get enough attention for its new AI flagships and hit the new target, it could increase shipments by 10%. We remind you that, according to the current rumors, the presentation of the Samsung Galaxy S24 range should take place on January 17, 2024. For the rest, if you are interested in learning more about the what has emerged so far in general, you may want to take a look at our in-depth analysis of the rumors relating to the Samsung Galaxy S24. Then please stay tuned and don't miss any single future video. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.